Hello guys, how are you today guys? Good morning or good evening. Today Uncle will review new toys for you. Okay, the first one is Matchbox Top Gun Maverick. Wow, the color is red. Boeing FA-18F Super Hornet. Wow, this is legendary airplane. We buy in Toys and Us. Wow. Okay, and the next is wow, Zuru metal machine. This is Defender or tank. Wow. We already buy one and this is the new one. So we have double tank. Okay. And this one is Zuru metal machines. This is like Humphrey. This is epic car for bring the army to the battlefield. Wow. And this one is Space Shuttle. This is Space Shuttle, Space Explorer for Challenger. Bring the astronaut to the space. Wow. To the sky. Wow, we buy in Sogo. The price is 16.9 RM. This is from Siku. Wow, this is epic. The rare collection, Space Explorer. Wow. Okay, let's open one by one. Please wait a moment. Hi guys, wow, we already opened it. Okay, let's take the video. This one is Space Explorer. Wow, Space Explorer for bring the astronaut to the International Space Station. Wow. Wow. This is from Siku. Oh. Made in Germany. Space Explorer. Oh, and this one is a new car for bring the army to the battlefield. Wow, very cute. This is like a ambulance. Wow, is this ambulance for army? Wow, I think so. This is emergency ambulance for the battlefield. Wow. This is the new ambulance. Wow. This is logo is for ambulance and this is emergency. Okay. This is emergency car. The next is wow. This is tank or defender. Uncle already buy one few months ago, and this one, wow. This is the new one. This is the all. Okay, wow, we have two. Whee! The next is wow. This is Top Gun Maverick F18. The color is red. Uncle already opened. This one is the all series. Same the F18 Hornet. Wow, Aaron, what do you like? Red or
Red.
brown?
Red.
Red, puppy. This is one. And this is Aaron. Wow, we have two F18 Hornet and already have two tank. Wow, wow, this is Space Explorer and ambulance. Okay, friend, I hope you enjoy. I'll almost forget. This one is the track for the F18 Maverick Top Gun. This is the air carrier. USS. What is that, Ron?
USS Nimitz.
USS Nimitz. Wow. This one is track for takeoff. Okay, and the landing is cheats. Okay, friend. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hi, Aaron. Hi. Okay, you sit down here, Aaron. Show your face to your friend. Hi, friend. Hi. Hi, Aaron. Hi. Okay, thank you very much.